At the beginning, I would like to pay my high respect to my beloved judges, ladies and gentlemen, and all my beloved friends or schoolmates. My name is Chita. I'm a team leader in group like Dragon, and here my team member have.
My name is Mitni.
My name is Chanda.
My name is Rathi.
Today we will brought to show you one topic about my specialty. Now me is the first to start presentation. My specialty is a beautiful place to live. It has many important places like a coffee shop and CIS school. People enjoy going to John Coffee, the door shop and supermarket. The city has house, street, car and traffic light that keep everything safe and organized. There is also a big gate at the entrance of the city. I love my special city because it is friendly, comfortable and full of life. Then CIS school. CIS school is the place where I study every day. It takes students to have good moral. The teachers are kind and do everything with good character, showing respect for others and following the school rule. CIS school has a strong moral culture because the principal, Mr. Umbra, manages the school very careful. Next one, tree. A tree is very important of our life. It gives us fresh air, shade and fruit. Tree make the environment clean and beautiful. We should protect and plant more trees. And last one is car. A car is behind that help people travel from one place to other. Car can be fast and comfortable. They use road and traffic rules to keep people safe. Car make life easier and save time. So now my point have finished. I would like to invite my team member is Mrs. Mitni.
My name is Mitni, and Mitni, I talk about a small hub. A small hub is cozy and easy to manage. It may be small, but it can be comfortable. Living in a small house saves money, time, and energy, and help people living simply. It can feel warm and welcoming for the whole family. And so now my point have finished. I would like to invite my team member is Mr. Rathi.
And my name is Rathi. I would like to talk about a doll shop. A doll shop is a wonderful place where many kids of adults are playing. There are many different colors or styles for children to choose from visiting a doll. Because children can see their favorite doll, sometimes buy them as gifts. The doll is colorful, cheerful and fun. So now my point have finished. I would like to invite my team member is Missy Chanda.
And me Chanda, I talk about supermarket. My supermarket is a small store where people can buy food, drink and many other things. It has fresh fruit, vegetable and daily necessity. Visiting a supermarket is convenient and have family get everything they need in one place. So now my point have finished. Move to the left is Chita.
And last one for me is John Coffee. This is a place where you can enjoy your favorite coffee. It is a place where you can enjoy your favorite coffee. It's a relaxing, calm and refreshing outdoor experience. John Coffee combine nature and coffee, creating a perfect spot, sit and wait and enjoy the moment. So now my presentation has finished. But before I'm going to finish, I would like to say thank you, my beloved judges, ladies and gentlemen. The last but not least, I would like to wish all adorable ladies and gentlemen be healthy and be succeed in your life. Thank you, all adorable.
And all of you.